Hello guys, so how you all doing? Welcome back to our channel, the Musketeer English Vlogs. And today's video, we will be going to have a jailbreak gameplay. This video obviously explains about how a noob plays. I'm a big noob, by the way. I was the one who's playing the game. I'm a really big noob. I don't know how to play this game properly. So here's the gameplay of how a noob plays. And I also have a question that I would like to ask you guys. So I want to know if a Bugatti is better or Roadster is better which is worth buying. I mainly have been saving up for the Roadster, but my friend says that there are so many glitches happening with the Roadster. Whenever you just hit a small pole or something, it just glitches out so much. And but I feel like the Roadster is pretty quick, but since they're saying it's glitching a lot, then I'm not really sure. I'm a really bad driver. I really hit poles and everything a lot, so I'm just worrying about that. So should I buy the Roadster or the Bugatti? So I would kind of want you guys to guide me regarding this. So now let's go into the gameplay voiceover, and right now we just got our Surus or Urus, I'm not really sure. So we just got this car, and let us go towards the bank and get the little bird. So here we have it. We just picked up a proper little bird which works fine and not glitched. So now let's go head over to the power plant and check if it's open or not. So there's steam coming out of both of those tubes, so it means that it is open. If the steam is not coming out of the tube, it means that it's not open. So whatever it is, let's go ahead and do the puzzle and get in. So personally, I can't do these puzzles really quickly. I don't know why, but I just can't do them quickly. So I'll just speed up the part whenever I do the puzzle. And here we have it. We just did it, and let's go in and rob it. Oh, so here's where it starts that I'm not at all doing this puzzle good at all. Seriously, I'm doing this really bad right now, and it's like I don't even have a brain. It's super bad though, I'm just telling you. Well, I just left the last one so that I can do it at last, and oh, I died. Okay, now I see Rick Astley there, never gonna give you up and all that stuff, whatever it is. So we are spawned at City Criminal Base, and let's go ahead and try to rob the train, and let's do this. So right now, look at that, me wasting all the rocket fuel that I have been saving up. I just started it today, so it's not really saving up. But this is where I start with some really bad driving skills. Look how bad it is. And now I just fell in the water, so it's gonna take me time to get out. So I don't know what shop is open. Whatever it is, we'll go to that shop. So right now I think jewelry is open, so let's head to jewelry store and rob it. So here we are at the jewelry store. Luckily no one started this. I'm super bad at jewelry store. I usually avoid it. I don't even used to do jewelry when I'm off camera, to be fair. I did this for the first time so that I can get a good impression in front of you guys, and so far so good. I usually do not cross that parkour area, at the last where you do the parkour. I do not cross that area at all, so that's the reason I never come here. And here we are. To be fair, we are doing it really good. We didn't lose much of health here. We're doing it really good, and here we are. We're done. Whew, good thing we didn't die. Okay, now the obvious thing that you would do is head towards the criminal base and turn in for money. Here we are. So now let's just go and turn in our money. So I'm not really sure what else is open. And first, when we started off, we only had like 3 to 4 people. You can go back and check it out. And now there are like so many people who joined. But whatever it is, we can do it. And now there's a cop behind me. So I thought of getting the little bird, but like I'm just gonna go get the Lambo for now. So here we are at the Lambo, so let's quickly pick it up. And I think the cop is right around here. And where is he? Oh, he is right here. He just stopped. Now he's gonna move and try to catch me, but there's no way he's gonna catch me when I'm in a Lambo.
Stop the cap.
Just customize our Lamborghini to the highest things possible. Suspension high, engine 5 and all that stuff. So let's head towards bank and get the little bird now, since there's no cop right now that we have to escape from. And now let's head to power plant, check if it's open, and looks like it's not open. So let's oh, museum's open. Yeah, museum's open. So let's just tell them not to pull yet. These people were nice enough and they didn't pull yet, so we'll quickly go ahead and rob everything. So let's pick up bones, and luckily we had enough bones so that we can get until 5 kg. So let's just give them the signal that you can pull now. And they already pulled, but never mind, at least we got our 5 kg. So now let's go towards our helicopter and go. Let's give them a thank you for that. So now let's go towards our helicopter and head towards the criminal base. Okay, so whatever it is, we made it to the criminal base. So let us turn in our beautiful things that we bought, and we can get the money now. There you go, robbery success. And let's head towards another robbery area. Oh well, nothing's. Let's just check on power plant now, and it's not open, so never mind. Jewelry's open, so let's go and do this now. Let's give it another try. Let's hope we don't die. So we get all the money. We just hit this. And the parkour, the hard part, the parkour, like this is also lights, random lights that I can't even see properly, like seriously. My health's going down and down and down. This is where my heart is hitting super bad. We made it anyway. Oh my god, look at the health.
No, God, please, no!
So it's fine. I think we can do it. We'll just stay AFK for this place, at this place for some time, and okay, yes, I was dare enough to do that. Whatever it is, let's come here, do this part. And who is up for celebration? Woohoo, we did it, guys. So now, since we got the little bird, let's quickly go and turn in our money. Easy cash, to be fair, not that easy. We did risk a lot, but whatever it is, easy cash. Let's go. We did it. Well, we thought the museum was open. Since no one is there, well, let's not waste our time. Let's head over to power plant and do this quickly. And the puzzle, we'll just do it quickly too and do it. And I hope there's no troller here. Let's just hope, at least. And anyway, let's go. I forgot that I shouldn't do the last one. Whatever it is, we have the little bird, so we'll just go quickly and get our money. And robbery success. Let's go. 4,600, something that I can live with. To be fair, I like when I get 5k, but whatever it is. I saw a cop car outside. Yeah, see that? That's a cop car there. So let's just pick out our guns. And donut shop's good. We can rob the donut shop for easy 750 cash. And 750 cash. Let's go. Let's quickly get out of here. And I'm not sure what to do. I'm just gonna check if there's any briefcase around here that I can pick up. Let's go check it towards this side. Nah, there's no briefcase. Okay. Let's come here and customize our helicopter, and that's a cop there with the rainbow skin or texture. So that's a cop. We can try to go and get him after we customize our helicopter. So, oh, he's not here, but we found another cop. I think he's trying to go for the train. Let's tell him that we as a criminal are here. Someone is here, you know. Let's shoot him, mess with him. Enough messing, let's just go, whatever it is. Museum's open, so we can go towards museum and let's go get some cash. This will kind of be the last robbery for the day, and there's this guy out of nowhere comes and helps us. So let's quickly place the dynamite and let's go rob it. The puzzle for the museum is always the same. I hope they at least change it for this update. But power plant's also open. Let's clutch up. I still didn't turn off my museum money. Let's clutch up. And let's do this. Oh, this guy's trolling. Why, bro? Stop trolling. Leave me alone. Like, seriously. Leave me alone. Oh my god, I gotta run. Bro, this guy's following me. Why don't you just go do your puzzle and take your money, bro? I hate these trollers. Always when I go to a power plant, I make sure there are no trollers so that I can be safe. Okay, whatever it is, let's just give this guy a heads up to not kill us. I don't beg him, okay? It doesn't matter, I don't beg him. But like, I really want to clutch this up because I also have my museum money, which I don't want to lose, so I just had to say that. Anyway, it looks like he wasn't there, so whatever it is, let's just quickly do this. 6, and there we go. So, come on, let's clutch this up and get some good amount of money. So here we are at the criminal base. This is the last robbery of the day. 5,400 cash, really easy money, and really good. So whatever it is, a good amount of robberies for today. We made like more than, to be fair, we made more than like 30,000 maybe. 30 or 20, I'm not sure. I think it's 30,000. So this guy just left his Tesla here. It's like free for all. He just left it so that I can use it. So how do you guys think the video was? I'm pretty much sure I covered everything, like how a noob plays in Jailbreak. I'm a big noob. I started playing this like 10 days ago, but whatever it is, I was grinding a lot. That's why I had like 400k. I was grinding a lot. It's summer holidays for me, so whatever it is. So, but I still want you guys to help me out. As you can see, like I'm just driving super bad. Is Roadster good for me? Bugatti is good for me? Please tell me in the comment section down below. And I hope this video actually shows on how a noob plays. So this is Jailbreak gameplay, and thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.